limit him. What? There's one of our swagger's financials again. What's it here? He sent flowers to someone with his Visa card. I cracked the FTD database, got an address. Donnie Fenn's widow. Anniversary of his death. She went back to using her maiden name, which is why we missed it the first time. She's maybe the only person in the entire world that would believe anything that Swagger had to say. Look, Keene City, Kentucky. It's just within driving range. What are you waiting for? Take the jet. You give me Swagger. Woman, you smile on the smile. This is about to get worse. I think we're here.
Welcome to Tennessee. Patriot state of shooting stuff.
Hey, who is this guy?
This guy was the greatest gunsmith east of the Mississippi. The legend. More about guns with people shooting them Smith and Wesson.
Don't really matter. We'll know we come the last 3 months. You learn next.
You boys come a long way. What you looking for?
Where's the